Hello creators and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. Today's video is an open collaboration titled Baby It's Cold Outside. It's hosted by the Daughters of Destiny. This is our second collaboration. So let me go ahead and introduce you to the Daughters of Destiny. Starting with Lady C from Lady Cinnamon, Shawni from Shawni on the Spot, Debby from Debby Bubbles, and Gigi from Gigi Faison for the love of decor, and myself, Kaye, Creating with Miss Kaye. We ask that you show us what warms you up during the winter and during the holiday season. It might be your favorite coat, or a warm drink, hot soup, a throw blanket, whatever warms you up, we would like for you to share it with us. Thank you so much for participating, and please go by the playlist and support one another. Here's my intro and then to the video. On a cold day, I like to come home and take a nice warm bubble bath. I get my water as hot as I can stand it. I normally would light a few candles, but unfortunately today I am all out. While we are here in my bathroom, let me show you a few of my Christmas decorations. On my vanity, I have my black tree decorated with red mesh and animal print ornaments. I have a glittered Santa's hat next to another Christmas tree with Santa Claus ornaments. At the end, I have a Chanel picture inside of a red ornament with a cheetah print bow. Here's a close-up of everything on top of my vanity. I love decorating for Christmas. Red is my favorite. After a warm, hot bath, I will go get into my bed and snuggle up with my husband. I have a very warm animal print velvet comforter. I do take off most of the pillows before going to sleep. But just in case I get cold in the middle of the night, I have this beautiful red throw at the foot of the bed. Here's a close-up of all of the pillows. I love this Joy pillow I purchased from Home Goods. It can be seen in my shopping haul video. I'll put the link in my description box. For all you romantics, a cozy fireplace not only sets the mood, but it's a great source of heat. This is my electric fireplace that I've had for many years. I've painted it a couple of times, but here's how I decorated it for the Christmas season. I have so many DIYs in this video. I will have listed in my description box all things that are DIYs and giving you the links to the videos. This is my other Christmas tree. My granddarling was visiting and wanted to help. She started placing all of the gold picks in the top of the tree and said, "Mima, look." And I said, "Kyler, I love it." So she made a great topper, my little future decorator. Here's the tree completely decorated with the skirt, the ribbon, the mesh, and a few more gold picks. Love to read, so a good book always warms me up, and I have to read a Bible scripture. That will surely warm you up. So I keep my Bible and a few books and a pair of glasses handy. On a very cold night, when I need just a little extra help, in my nightstand, I keep my electric blanket. My husband will never get under this electric blanket, but I do. Here are a few more DIYs from my previous videos. I am so glad to be able to display them all for the holiday season. I love how everything turned out, and once you put everything together, you will truly be pleased. I forgot to mention, this is a gold wreath that I bought from Ross. I have two of them, but this is just a full view of my bedroom. My red accent wall does so much for the holidays. I love the way everything looks. As we enter into this Christmas season, I would like to read to you a quote that warms me up. The quote is by George Matthew Adams. The title is The Christmas Heart. Let us remember that the Christmas heart is a giving heart, a wide open heart that thinks of others first. The birth of the baby Jesus stands as the most significant event in all of history because it has meant the pouring into a sick world, the healing medicine of love, which has transformed all manner of hearts for almost 2,000 years. Underneath all the bulging bundles is the beating Christmas heart. I pray that each of you have a safe Christmas. I hope you find that love warms you up during this holiday season. I would like to thank all of my subscribers and everyone here on YouTube for all of your support. Thank you so much. Be blessed, and please continue watching the video. See you soon, and happy holidays.